On the threat for some potential stormy weather.
Well, that's right, Patrick. I'm tracking it all on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar this morning. Want to show you the conditions as you make your way outdoors. Already had a couple of thunderstorms roll across northwestern Rhode Island, and we are tracking more of that activity this morning. So I'm going to take you sort of around the area. We've got a couple of cells. Now, they're all fast moving, but they do contain some briefly gusty winds, some downpours, and even in spots some lightning. The next one that I'm watching, there's another batch moving across far northern Rhode Island. We've got our eye as well this morning on this small cell that's moving through just into northern Rhode Island right now, and showing you the details on where that is headed this morning with our storm tracker here this morning. With our cell path, we can show you some of that activity that's passing through the area. So here we go. We'll highlight this and show you what the communities are going to be impacted by this. And again, it's going to be moving through Foster, parts of Woonsocket. Cumberland could get another batch of rain and thunder. Not a severe storm, but one that does contain some lightning as well as some of those brief heavy downpours. Let's take a look at the conditions outside of to our west, and you can see where most of the activity is here. Central Connecticut, back into the western part of the state, and then down across Long Island. A really intense thunderstorm right now with a lot of lightning over north central Long Island. That's a severe storm, one that's had some hail with it, and again some torrential downpours. This is moving pretty quickly towards the east and northeast. So all of this activity going to be passing through. I think it'll be a pretty busy morning here over the next few hours. So our threat tracker is up into the medium category, not just for this morning, but even later today. We have the chance for another shower or thunderstorm, possibly some severe storms. The biggest risk today with any storms is going to be damaging wind gusts and hail, but also could see some dangerous lightning and some briefly heavy downpours. Tonight, we drop back to low, and we're there on Wednesday as well. Temperatures outside in the middle 70s, Providence, Newport, New Bedford, 75 in Taunton right now. Looking at our city cam over Providence, we do have a mostly cloudy start to the morning. It's been a warm night. Feels like 79 degrees out there with a very high humidity, up to 90% right now under that southwest wind at 6 miles an hour. So the dew point's up in the oppressive category, 72 degrees right now. It stays very high through the day today, then drops significantly for Wednesday. That dew point into the 50s Wednesday. And how about Thursday? 53 for the dew point temperature. That's almost like an early autumn air mass. It will be a beautiful day Thursday, and you'll feel the difference out there tomorrow as well. It's a cold front moving through our area. It slows down as it passes into southeastern New England, so it takes all day, which is why we'll still be under the risk of an additional thunderstorm as we make our way into the afternoon. So some scattered storms this morning. Then we get into a lull. There will likely be some sunshine. The sun, not such a good thing on a day like today because it'll help to fuel any storms that will try to pop up and move through. So keep an eye to the sky this afternoon and this evening for an additional storm. About 78, 9 a.m. in the morning, 11 a.m. near 83 degrees. In the afternoon, isolated thunderstorm and breezy, a high near 89 inland beaches today. Moderate risk for rip currents, 82 degrees. Got to be weather aware today. Keep an eye to the potential for a thunderstorm passing through. Water temperature around 75. There's a small craft advisory in effect for Narragansett Bay. With those winds picking up, waves will build to 2 to 3 feet. So down to 69 overnight tonight. Still warm tomorrow, but the humidity is much lower, near 86. Thursday looks beautiful, dry and sunny, near 80. And then not looking so hot right now for Friday and potentially into Saturday. Slow-moving storm system could be some rounds of rainfall, some embedded thunderstorms. Some of the rain could be heavy at times. Again, slow-moving, so right now, timing it out looks to be Friday into at least part of Saturday. Things could change with that, so we'll be keeping you updated on it. Download the WPRI Pinpoint Weather app. You can track any storms that move through today in real time with our interactive radar. Get weather updates any time of day on your iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. You can download it for free at the App Store